Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have got something that is specifically for my UK peeps, although I'm sure similar is probably available overseas. So I had recently sent hubby off to the shops to get some crafty bits and pieces for me, and while he was there he found something very reasonably priced and something that looks like it will be very fun to do. So this was from the range. It is made by a company called ARTDOT, so you may possibly find them online. They are based in Plymouth and Dublin, and they are part of the Range and Wilco group. So do what you can with that information if you like. So for the grand old price of £3.99 or €5.20, you can get yourself this lovely little tote bag with a diamond painting on it, and this one happens to be of a bee. So as this is probably going to be my last January project, this is perfect little extra addition to the Big Butts event. So yeah, I'm going to give this a go, give it a finish, and then I will get back to you and let you know what it is like. So what do we get? I quite like the minimalist packaging because that's very useful. I was thinking what's inside the bag. It was my picture underneath. So in here we get a pink tray. That's new. I've never had a pink tray. That's quite cute. Standard pink pen. We've got a little bit of wax, some baggies, which is always nice, and some plastic tweezers, which frankly aren't much cop, but donate them to your local school. I'm sure they'll be happy to have them. And then we have got our drills, which are they all alphabet? No, we've got alpha and numeric symbols, lots of lovely colours, exactly what you'd expect. No special drills, but that is fine. And a big old pot of black at the end. So, let me go away and have a crack at finishing this, and then I will get back to you and let you know how it turned out. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so we are all finished. I'm really kind of pleased with how this came out. It's super cute. I had plenty of leftovers. This is not my trash, but these drills don't have DMC, so these are going into my trash drill pot, even though they are perfectly good drills. Yeah, I'm really pleased with this. I am going to seal it with some gloss Mod Podge, but I currently don't have any, so I need to order some, just because I think obviously if you're carrying this around there is the chance that you're gonna knock off drills, and also where the glue kind of is at the edges there is a slight little bit of stick still, but on the whole I'm really pleased with it. In terms of the sizing, this is like an A4 notebook, so that should give you an idea of the sort of size of things that you're going to get in there. I think it would be great as a book bag, as, you know, an extra little bag to carry around with you in case you decide to purchase something while you're out, that sort of thing. And at the price of £3.99, absolute bargain really. There are several other designs available in the range, and I've just had a look on their website and you can order them online. So I'll put those pictures up for you to see, so you can see the designs that they've got online. There's a couple that are out of stock, but they seem to be seasonal designs. So hopefully they'll come back around the sort of Christmas, Halloween time. But for now, this is my final big butts project. Okay peeps, so before I go, I just want to say a massive thank you to those of you that support me over on Patreon and here as channel members. If any of you would like to join them, you can do so from as little as 99p, and I will send you some stickers. So this is all from me for this month. I will see you throughout next month for my event, #Once Upon a Time. I will leave a link to the video all about that event and about our wonderful sponsors. And until next time, stay crafty.